Hey everyone, it's Kira. So I'm going to be doing an acrylic pour today, and since a lot of the colors I'm going to use are very similar to the last acrylic pour I did, I'm just going to use the same cup. Why would I throw it out? Let's just have some fun. The last painting kind of had a base of white, but oh no, are we stuck? Oh, are you stuck? Oh, you do have a little bit in it. That's one of the problems with these squeeze bottles is that sometimes they just got a little like dried bit stuck in there. Alright. Just throw some black in there. And we're going to throw some blue. Got some red. Let's see. Let's go with the dark blue as well. Some Payne's gray, which is like a very dark blue gray. It's super pretty. And do I need some sparkle? Nah. We will go sparkleless on this one. Put a little bit more black in there. Alright. So, also reusing the gloves from the last pour. You can just rinse these off and reuse them. You don't need to use a new pair of gloves every time. Honestly, it'd be a little bit wasteful, and we don't need any sort of like, I don't know, it doesn't need to be sterile, so you're okay. Let's see. Like what I'm seeing so far. And because I'm going to take a little hair dryer to this, I'm going to just do a light spritz of water. Because it does need to be a little bit more liquidy for what I really want to do with it. What we got going on in there? Okay, a little darker than I thought it was going to be, but I trust that some of that blue is going to pop up. Okay, some of the blue I can already see coming up through those air bubbles. So let's just see what it looks like in a moment or two. Let it expand. Okay, I'm gonna push this one around a little bit before I continue to use the hair dryer. Just wanna, here we go. Don't want to lose too much of that blue that's going on there in the corner. I really like it. just want to stretch it out a little bit this way. I want to encourage it to go over that edge a little more so there's not just like a big blank bit of canvas there. And just kind of where this is going. Alright. Not what I was expecting, certainly. But still kind of fun. I think I'm going to blow it around a little bit more with the hair dryer. Maybe just on a low setting, just to bring up any bubbles, because I do see quite a few bubbles that I think will become cells. I just need a little bit of encouragement. There are a lot of bubbles. I don't know why. I mean, maybe because I used the hair dryer, there's just a ton of... There we go. Now we're popping. Maybe we're just hiding. Okay. Okay, well, this one is just gonna have to sit for a little bit, and then and then we'll be able to do a close-up. There's just so many little cells and bubbles that it's gonna change, I think, maybe pretty dramatically, especially I can hear that I don't want to do the close-up right now. There's a little fun spot right in there. And yeah, not at all what I was expecting, but I do like it. It's fun.